Hello guys and welcome to Sneha's blog. So this is Dubai Mall. It is the world's largest destination for shopping, entertainment and leisure. Located next to the world's largest and tallest building, Burj Khalifa. And this is the outside view of the mall. So guys, if you like my videos, please do like, subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the update of the videos. So Dubai Mall basically has everything from designer clothes to chain stores, from designer food to normal food. And they have more than 1200 retail outlets. So guys, there are too many outlets that you can decide where you want to go and visit, as a lot of brands are available in Dubai Mall. And as it is located in the center of the Dubai downtown, so the connectivity is very good from Dubai metro station to bus or cab. You can take any way and reach to this beautiful mall, that is Dubai Mall. There is a very beautiful food court and yummy food available, and from the Dubai Mall itself you can have a good view of the Burj Khalifa and the fountain show. So if you are going in the evening time, you can enjoy this fountain show and this mesmerizing view of the Burj Khalifa. You can have a good look of the aquarium as well.